Hi guys, so for this week's gel toenail design I'm going to apply my base coat. I've already done all of the prep work needed. So I'm just going to cure this in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. My colour of choice is from Born Pretty Store and it's called Destiny Fairy. I will do 2 coats of this, curing in between each coat. Keeping the design simple, we're going to use a dotting tool to create some flowers. So I have white just off on a mixing palette here, and I'm going to use 2 different size dotting tools. So I've got the larger side for the flower petals and then the smaller side for some other dots. Of course, into the centre of the flower we're going to apply a rhinestone. Lastly, we just need to apply top coat to the nail.